Hi viewers, welcome to Manivanta TV. Today we are with Sian Malli sir. Today's topic is depositors can name the four nominees from now from November 1st.
Yes.
Sir, is it true, sir?
Yes, the central government, especially under the direction with the direction given to Reserve Bank of India, is allowing depositors to nominate up to four people. See, there are many unclaimed deposits, unclaimed policies, insurance policies, unclaimed deposits in the government post office, like that. See, what happens is many people they make deposit, they doesn't nominate people. Means who is to be claimed after their,
Yes.
if anything happens to them or disability. Then many people will not. At that time, they were not familiar to nominate people. General people used to say only children will get nominated. Legal hair only is eligible. And some people may not know what their parents have made deposits, where they have made deposits. This is possible with unclaimed shares, unclaimed dividends, unclaimed deposits, unclaimed insurance policies, unclaimed government deposits. This is possible with everywhere. So from November 1st onwards, the Reserve Bank is allowing the depositors to nominate up to four people. See why it is happened like that. See, sometimes what happened is a old person make a deposit and he didn't nominate anyone. And also what happens is he even forget to deposit also. Sometimes the success may not know where he has deposited. Yes, many things happens like that. Many say financial transactions happen secretly also. For their security, they will make deposit. They will not know. They will not make the people, the children to know about their financial sources also. That's a financial security. So what is happening is now from 1st November onwards, banks or depositors will be allowed to nominate four people, individuals, four individuals, even minor also can be nominated
Okay.
for their deposits, lockers, and any articles kept with the bank for safe custody. That is also eligible to be nominated for four people. And for deposits, customer can nominate simultaneously or successively or safe custody, and lockers only successive nominations are allowed. See what happens is simultaneously successively. For deposits, you can nominate four people at your success simultaneously. And if four are eligible for, suppose a person made deposit, they nominate four people. So four are eligible, each 25,000. Or successively. Means first nominee, second nominee, third nominee, fourth nominee. First nominee is no more. So second nominee will become eligible. So second nominee is also not available. So third will be available. If the third is not available, fourth will be available. So this is simultaneously successfully also available for deposits. Whereas for safe custody of lockers, articles, or anything kept with the bank, only successive nominations are available, possible, allowed. Successive nomination means after the death of the locker owner only, the successor or nominee will be allowed to operate. Until the life of the locker holder, the nominee will not be allowed to operate the locker. See, this is the change they have given. This is the opportunity they are given. If the nominee is a minor, depositors may appoint another adult to receive the funds on the nominee behalf in the event of their death. Suppose if the nominee is a minor, anything happens to the depositor, he can nominate other person to maintain the deposit, to draw the deposit and maintain for the welfare of the minor, who is not a retained majority, for their welfare, maybe for education, for marriage, or for anything. The other person can look after all that activities to support the minor. And one person is nominated person. Nomination should be done by the legally entitled person only. Legal entitled to act as for the minor. See, anybody, no others can be appointed as a nominated to look after the welfare of the minor unless he is legally entitled. Legal entitlements maybe uncle, brother, or anyone. Unless there is a relationship, they will not be allowed to be a nominee on behalf of the minor. This gives a lot of flexibility and convenience for the depositors. This is the reason the Reserve Bank has came out for the convenience of deposits. The same nomination can be extended to other accounts in the same bank. Okay, so suppose what happens is the person is having a deposit in one account and our savings account or gold or some other account. So you can nominate once nominated for all accounts, also the same nomination will be valid. You need not give separate nomination for each account.
Okay.
Earlier it was like that. So if you are having a recurrent deposit, you can give nominate to one person. If you have fixed deposit, you have to give nominate to other person. But to give separate nominations. But once you have given nomination to one account, it can be applied to. You have to mention that it is applicable to all accounts with the bank. So not only branch bank, that will be helpful. That will reduce a lot of dispute, disagreement. That will depositors. In the case of a deposit hold to the credit of, suppose the depositors are more than 2 or 3, sometimes 3 or 4 people made a deposit. The nomination has to be made by all the people, not one person, not one of them. Suppose the depositor made by 5, if each contributed 50,000, it became 2 lakhs. They have deposited 2 lakhs for a nominee. The nominees 2 or 3 have been, 1 or 2 has been given. So if we want to change the nomination, all 4 has to accept it. Or if we want to reduce the nomination, so all 4 has to accept it. With the consent of only 1 or 2 people, 1 or 2 depositors, the nomination will not be cancelled or changed. So all the depositors has to give consent to change or cancel the nomination. And all these nomination has to be registered with the bank, and it should be informed to the higher authorities, and also maintain the regular records physically or digitally, and provide written digital confirmation to the nomination or cancellation modification. Suppose the written communication should be informed to the depositor. See, suppose I have nominated and it is recorded. Depositor feels that it is already recorded, but the communication is not there from the bank side. Depositor feels that he has already given nomination, he has given name, but it was not recorded. So this gives confusion. So every bank, which is where the nomination is recorded, has to give confirmation that nomination is recorded to the depositor. May not give the name. Has to confirm that your nomination request is accepted or registered. See, this is happening in Demat accounts. They are giving confirmation that a nomination is already recorded. This even for cancellation modification also it requires. Even nomination also can be cancelled or changed or increased or reduced at the interest of the depositor. So all these benefits are going to flexibility or convenience or comfort is being given to depositor, so that to avoid the confusion, disputes in future. See, any deposit, the first priority will be given to nominee only, not legal holder.
Okay.
See, even if a person is a depositor has expired and legal heirs may not get their money, the nominee only will get that. They cannot claim also. If there is no nominee only, legal heirs can claim that. If there is nominee is the first priority to get the money. So this is a change we have to see. So nomination is most important, and we have to see every individual. We request every individual to verify whether your account has been recorded with nominee, registered with nominee. If not, you get it registered. Maybe deposit account, recurrent deposit, saving account, or any account, locker also. Everything you should get it there. Get the nominee registered, recorded with the bank, and confirmation received from the bank. This is the most important thing. This is going to come into effect from 1st November, day after tomorrow onwards.